things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day, September 11th. It is Thursday, always a tough day. SPY is kind of inside candle. We're going to be bullish above 654.50 today for the SPY, and we're going to be bearish below 651. All right, let's check out the IWM. Bullish above 237.50 and then bear below 234.75. We're still good on that. Just had the big jobs numbers come out, so we're going to have a little bit of movement here during this video. But QQQ bullish above 582.50, still good. Bear below 579. Let's check out the E-minis. Bullish above 65.55. We did tag 65.60. I'd probably be bullish above that for the next trade up. Bear below 65.40. And I know some people do trade pre-market, so hope you're catching these moves. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 23,950. Bear below 23,850. Then we have oil futures. Bullish above 64.50, bear below 62.80. We're coming down to that right now. 62.75 is another level. And then 62.50. Gold futures moving up on that data. Bullish above 36.80, bear below 36.50. And then we've got Bitcoin futures. Bullish above 115,100. Bear below 112,000. 250. Let's go to some individual stocks. CNC. A lot of us are in this. Yeah. Somebody in the app room called this out. Who was that? I forgot. Yep. If you're here, thank you very much for that call. It was a while back. A bunch of us took a trade on this, so thank you. Appreciate that. Bullish today on the day trade. Well, we went and hit every single target. Let me just see something. Bullish above 35.50. That's our next level. Okay. Bear below, I'd say 34. Yep. I try to go below that VWAP. All right. 34 would be our bear below here. But this was this was our target right here. The 65 exponential on the swing on the daily chart. Open is our next one. Bullish above 8. Bear below 750. Next, we've got Tesla. Bullish above 355. Bear below 347.50. Wolf, we're going to be bullish above 11. Bear below 10. Next, we've got Oracle. Bullish above 338. Bear below 325. And then we've got NVIDIA. Bullish above 179.50. Bear below 174. IBIT. Bullish above 65.50. There's a huge open space above this 50 simple moving average. That really is the big one to trade. We'll see if it goes there. Bear below 63.75. And then Palantir. Yeah, I like this one a lot if it could break above 168.50. Bear below 165. And there you have it. Those are your whispers for Thursday, September 11th. Until next time, come and join our trading room. Go to the darkpools.com. Learn while you earn. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.